Hello guys, my name is Tweet. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing DIY sewing. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see more videos. It's a beautiful day and sunny outside. And I got a sun here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I transform my old dress into a halter dress for my niece. Hope you enjoy it and let's get started. First, I sketch out my idea with halter neck, back open and the necktie. I take about the dress, top, skirt, and the underarm. I already drafted with a half up front and a half back. And now, I fold front top in half and put the button on it to cut. I often use clip to keep the pattern and fabric evenly before cutting. And do the same way at the back. Then I fold it in half and cut it into 2 pieces. Moving on to skirt, I'm going to cut down 10 cm from top of skirt. I use red fabric at the arm to make the string tie. I'm going to cut 2 strips with 4 cm width. Now I sew front and back of top together at the both sides. Next, I cut 2 strips with 2 cm width and I use it to sew under the arm to close. I align the strips on the right side of the main top and sew them together about 0.5 cm. Then I fold the strip inward double time and sew to close the armhole. Next, I overcast every edge of fabric at the top. At the back, I fold inward and stick about 1.5 cm. I also fold inward and stick 2 cm at the neckline, including front and back. Moving on the skirt, I used a tool that I bought at the nail shop to help me gathering fabrics. It's super cool. I'm not gather fabric at the back, about 35 cm. This section will be placed elastic. Now it's time to connect top and skirt together. I use an elastic band which is 0.5 cm width and 15 cm length. Bin it on ungathering area and of cutting. Then I fold the elastic band area inside and sew in. Moving on the string tie, after stitching two strips together, and I fold it inside and thread to make it evenly. Then sew in dry the edge of string to close the opening. Last step, I use a safety pin to thread the string into the hole from the front to back. And I finished. Let's see the final result.